In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a case auto response rule in Salesforce. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease, ensuring that you can set up these automated responses efficiently and confidently. We'll start by navigating to the necessary setup area in Salesforce. Begin by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This will open up a drop-down menu where you need to select Advanced Setup. This area is your gateway to customizing a wide range of settings in Salesforce. Once you are in the Advanced Setup area, you'll see a quick find box at the top of your screen. In this box, type in Case Auto Response Rules. As you type, you'll notice the results narrowing down. Select Case Auto Response Rules from the list. This will take you to the section where you can manage and create new rules. Next, you'll want to create a new rule by clicking on the New button. This is your starting point for setting up the auto response logic. When you're creating a rule, it is imperative to provide a descriptive name. This helps you and your colleagues to quickly identify the purpose of the rule at a glance. Now right there on the setup page, you'll notice an option to mark the rule as active. Be sure to check this box to enable the rule immediately, ensuring it starts working as soon as it's saved. After you've entered the name and activated the rule, click Save. At this point, you've established the basic framework for your new rule. Once saved, click on the rule name to open it up for further configuration. This will direct you to the area where you will define the specific conditions that trigger the auto response. Click on New Rule Entry to get started on defining these conditions. Here, you'll set the sort order. A simple numerical ranking, where lower numbers represent higher priorities, works well. For instance, using 1 to signify that this is your top priority rule. Continuing, define the criteria that need to be met for the response to be triggered. For example, you might set a criterion such as case origin equals email. This ensures that the system processes only those cases coming from a specific source in a particular way. Now specify the name and address you want the auto response message to appear from, as the sender details play a key role in maintaining clear and professional communication with your respondents. Moving on, you'll need to choose an email template under the email template section. This template is what your respondents will see, so select one that conveys all necessary information clearly and effectively. After you've configured the settings to your requirements, don't forget the final step, clicking Save. This seals the deal, making sure your hard work goes live, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to establish a seamless and efficient auto response rule in Salesforce. Your organization's communication management will become more streamlined, enabling you to focus on other important tasks. Happy automating.